All right, friends, let's go over our Chapter 3 review for math. I'm going to go ahead and get started with number 1. Just check your work while you're going through this, so I'll help you on your test. Number 1, there are 3 boats on the lake. 6 people ride in each boat. How many people ride in the boats? Draw circles to model the problem and explain how to solve it. So I went ahead and gave you the 3 boats on the lake. How many people are inside each boat? 6. And I just said for each person, make an X. So we're going to put 6 people, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you could count by sixes. 6. There's 6 in each. You could do repeated addition, or you could think of 6 times 3. 6, 12, 18 people. 18 people. If you were unsure, you could count every single X. That takes a lot of time, though. Number 2, Nadia has 4 sheets of stickers. There are 8 stickers on each sheet. She wrote this number sentence to represent the total number of stickers. 4 times 8 equals 32. What is a related number sentence that also represents the total number of stickers she has? 8 plus 4. Is 8 plus 4 related to 8 times 4? No. Nope. Not related. They do have the same numbers, but that's not the same. One is multiplying, and one just adds 2 numbers. What if we did 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4? Again, that's repeated addition, but this is actually showing 4 times 4. That's not going to work either. 8 times 8. Well, this is 4 times 8. 8 times 8 is not the same. 4 times 8, 8 times 4. Yes, that's commutative property of multiplication. D is the correct answer for number 2. Number 3, Lindsay went hiking for 2 days in Yellowstone National Park. The first jump on the number line shows how many birds she saw the first day. She saw the same number of birds the next day. Write the multiplication sentence that is shown on the number line. How many birds did she see that first day? Well, she started at 0 and she landed at 8. So she saw 8 birds each day. And how many days was she at Yellowstone? How many jumps do you see? This would be the first day. This would be the second day. 8 times 2. Look at where you landed. 8 times 2 equals 16. That's the answer for number 3. All right, we're ready for number 4. Paco drew an array to show the number of desks in his classroom. This is the array using the tiles. Write a multiplication sentence for the array. So first you need to count how many rows are there. 1, 2, 3 rows. There are 3 rows. And how many tiles are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 across. 3 times 7 equals 21. That is your multiplication sentence for this array. Number 5, Alondra makes 4 necklaces. She uses 5 beads on each necklace. For numbers 5A through 5D, choose yes or no to tell if the number sentence could be used to find the number of beads Alondra uses. So she makes 4 total necklaces and 5 beads on each. Could we solve that problem using 4 times 5? Of course. 4 necklaces times 5 beads on each. Yes, for A. What if we add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4? Can we use repeated addition? We can, but how many times did she add 4? Only 4 times. She needed to add it 5 times. So this one does not work. What about 5C? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. She added 5 4 times. Yes, that one works. And for D, if she just adds 5 plus 4, will that give her the answer? No. So my pattern goes yes, no for number 5. And number 6, John sold 3 baskets of apples at the market. Each basket contained 9 apples. How many apples did John sell? Make a bar model to solve the problem. So this represents his apples, total apples, okay? He sold 3 baskets, so I divided it into 3 for you, just 3 equal sections, 1, 2, 3. And how many apples are in each basket? 9, 9, 9, 9. 9 times 3, you could add 9 plus 9 plus 9. 9 times 3 is 27. All right, we're moving right along. Number 7, select the number sentences that show the commutative property of multiplication. Mark all that apply. That usually means there's more than one answer, okay? Commutative property of multiplication means that you just have the same numbers, but in a different order. So let's look. We have 3 times 2 equals 2 times 3. Do those use the same numbers, just in a different order? Yes. A is one of the choices. What about 4 times 9 equals 4 times 9? Yeah, those are the same, but they didn't change the order, so that's not commutative property. Okay. 5 times 0 equals 0. Is that true? Yeah, it's the true fact, but does it show commutative property? No. All right, D, 6 times 1 equals 1 times 6. Same numbers? Different order? D is another correct answer. And E, 7 times 2 equals 14 times 1. Well, 7 times 2 does equal 14, and so does this side, 14 times 1. But it didn't change the order, and it doesn't have the same numbers, so that one isn't correct. A and D are your only 2 choices. Number 8, a waiter carried 6 baskets with 5 dinner rolls in each basket. How many dinner rolls did he carry? Show your work. He carried 6 baskets with 5 dinner rolls. One way you could do this if you weren't sure of the answer is you could do repeated addition. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. You could draw a picture. You could draw the circles with the X's inside. Since you're multiplying times 5, you can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 6 times 5 equals 30 dinner rolls. Okay. Sonia needs 3 equal lengths of wire to make 3 bracelets. The jump on the number line shows the length of 1 wire in inches. How many inches of wire will Sonia need to make 3 bracelets? So we have one jump that goes from 0 to 6. Each jump is going to be 6. So 6 plus 6 more gets me to 12. That's jump number 2. 6 more than 12 gets me to 18. 6 times 3 equals 18. I had 3 jumps of 6. All right, number 10. Josh has 4 dogs. Each dog gets 2 dog biscuits every day. How many biscuits will Josh need for all his dogs for Saturday and Sunday? Saturday and Sunday, that's 2 days, okay? Hopefully you didn't miss that. So 4 dogs. I'm gonna start with the number 4. Each dog gets 2 biscuits every day. So they get 2 biscuits on Saturday, 2 biscuits on Sunday. That's a total of how many biscuits? 2 and 2 make 4. So our multiplication sentence is 4 times 4, right, equals 16. Very good. One more page. All right, last page. Number 11, this is a go deeper, which means it might be a little more challenging. Jorge displayed 28 cans of paint on a shelf in his store. This is one way he did it. He made an array of 4, and there are 7 across. So he did 7 times 4 or 4 times 7. Select other ways Jorge could arrange the same number of cans. Mark all that apply. Remember, he had 28 cans to begin with. So we want every problem that we choose to be our answer to equal 28. So if we had 2 rows of 14, that would be 2 times 14, or 14 plus 14, and that does equal 28. So that would be correct. All right, for B, 1 row of 28, would that work? Well, sure, that would be just 28 cans. 6 rows of 5. We just did this problem on another page. 6 times 5 equals 30. That one is not going to work. Okay. 8 rows of 3. Think about 8 times 3. If I have 8 rows of 3, I only have 24, not 28. 8 times 3 is 24. 7 rows of 4. Well, he had 4 rows of 7, so if we just had 7 rows of 4, that's the same because of commutative property. So A, B, and E are your answers for this one. Number 12, choose the number that makes this statement true. The product of any number and blank is 0. Any number, no matter what it is, times 0 is 0. Any number times 0 is 0. Your answer is 0. Last problem, James made this array to show that 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 rows of 5. James says that 5 times 3 equals 15. Is James correct? Draw an array. So this means that he had 5 rows of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows with 3 in each. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Are there 15? Yes. What number property is that? We've talked about it a lot today. Commutative property. And make sure you put of multiplication, because there is a commutative property of addition, and we want to make sure that we are talking about multiplication, okay? I hope this review helped, and good luck tomorrow on your test.